Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change date and time in one phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on Gender Management. Now click on date and time and turn off the button against automatic date and time, so you can set date and time manually. Click on set date and here change the date. I change the date here and click on set time and change the timing here. Here I would like to set 3:33 p.m. and if you use if you click on use 24-hour format, railway timing will be followed and see it in the home page. Date and time have been changed and also timing is in 24-hour format. If you would like to use the 12-hour format only, again go to the settings and click on gender management and click on date and time and turn off this button, use 24-hour format, so only 12-hour format will be followed. Go to the home page and check it now. Yes, 12-hour format is now followed. If you would like to update date and time automatically without worrying about, just go to the settings again and click on gender management and click on date and time and you go to turn on this button automatic date and time, so automatically date and time will be updated. Use date and time provided by your network. So if you use a SIM card in your phone, you're using that network, you can phone itself adjust the date and time. It will adjust the accurate date and time if you use SIM card. Otherwise you got to choose only manual date and time. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.